Are you struggling with your GoPro Hero 12 running out of power too soon? Or maybe your battery overheats during long recordings? Well, there's a simple solution: using a power bank and GoPro Labs to run your GoPro without a battery. Stick around, and I'll show you how to keep your GoPro running longer without interruptions. The GoPro Hero 12 is an amazing action camera, but it has one common issue: battery life. Whether you're shooting long time lapses, live streaming, or capturing extended action shots, the battery just doesn't last long enough. And if you're in hot conditions, the battery can even overheat, causing your GoPro to shut down. But don't worry, we've got a fix. One of the best ways to keep your GoPro powered for long hours is by using a power bank. Here's how you can do it. Get a high-quality power bank. Make sure it supports at least 5 volts, 2 amps output for reliable power delivery. Use a good USB-C cable. A high-speed, durable cable ensures a steady connection. Remove the GoPro battery. This prevents overheating and ensures direct power from the power bank. Plug the power bank into the GoPro. Once connected, your GoPro will boot up and stay powered as long as your power bank lasts. Now, to make your GoPro work smoothly without a battery, you need GoPro Labs. Here's how you set it up. Download GoPro Labs firmware. Head over to the GoPro Labs page and download the firmware for the Hero 12. Install the firmware. Transfer the update file to your SD card and insert it into your GoPro. Enable no battery mode. This allows your GoPro to function directly from external power sources, making it perfect for long shoots. Benefits of this method. By using a power bank with GoPro Labs, you get several benefits. Unlimited recording time. As long as your power bank has juice, your GoPro keeps rolling. Reduced overheating. Without the battery inside, your GoPro stays cooler even during long recordings. Great for vlogging, live streaming, and time lapses. No more worrying about battery changes. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to power your GoPro Hero 12 for long hours using a power bank and GoPro Labs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more GoPro tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've tried this setup yourself. Thanks for watching, and happy filming.